You have a gun?
No. Why are you guys driving like assholes?
I'm not.
Oh, really?
You didn't see me driving like an asshole.
Oh, no, somebody did. I have a
no,
witness.
believe me, there's a lot of guys bikes coming up here. It wasn't me.
How many guys are involved? You guys were part of those guys.
Backup needed immediately.
4 o'clock. I'm going to jail.
Turn off the keys, hands in the air. Hands in the air. Hands in the air.
How fast were we running?
95 is what I got. At least when I was behind y'all, I got up to 95. But then I thought he was gonna run, so that's why I stayed in the #1 lane, trying to hold traffic. I got the bin.
Oh my God.
Nani? No.
I'm the Canyon man. Got lots of candy canes. I never. What? Where did you come from? I'm at the stunt lot right now.
Really? Literally, you just did a wheelie right in front of me.
I did not even see you.
License, registration, proof, insurance. I don't know why you keep doing this stupid stuff.
I'm sorry. This is. I mean, no one's here. Middle of nowhere.
I get it, but it's still careless driving, man.
In the stunt lot. This is crazy.
My dude, here's our information back. Here's the deal. You're in a citation for careless. Doing this stuff, man. I know you got your GoPro, you got your Instagram channel, all this stuff, but stop, man.
Stop, man.
I get it. Going back here, dude, it's still a public road. You can't be doing this crap. If you want to do whatever you want to do on private property, you can do on private property. It is a public road. You can't. Oh, here's the deal.
How much is it?
133, but it is points. Whatever you want to do. If you want to take it to court, I don't care. I get paid to go to court.
Careless? Are you kidding me?
There's 318 East Locust, okay?
Yep.
All right. Have a good night.
Yep. Joke, dude. What a joke. What a joke.
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. We have something for your plate being all tucked in. I can't read it.
You have it?
Your plate, your license plate, it's not visible. It's tucked in.
Okay.
You do that on purpose or?
No.
No? Okay, can't see your driver's license? You can put your kickstand on.
Huh?
You can put your kickstand on.
I have it in my backpack.
Alright, go ahead. Just keep it up. You can. Walking up to your bike. Make sure it's visible. Alright? Alright, thank you. No problem.
So the reason why I asked you guys to pull over is because 3 of your buddies just pursued off from me. So you guys all ramped on together at 89. So I want to see what's going on with the 3 that decided they can just take off. I lit them up and everything. 120 miles an hour. Gone. Passing on the shoulder.
Can't tell you what they're thinking.
Okay, well what's their name? Is what I want to know.
Can't tell you that either.
You don't know them?
No,
You don't want to tell me.
just explaining to you.
What's that?
I just know them from riding.
Okay. Alright. Can I get your guys' IDs, please?
For what?
I'm stopping you.
I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, well I have to note that I've stopped you.
No.
So you're not going to give me your ID. Now that's a problem.
Okay.
So I'm
It's the
asking,
law that
I'm
I
not
have to show
writing
you
you a
my ID.
ticket.
I haven't done anything wrong. What have
Why
I
are you
done
going to
wrong?
stay here and argue with me?
Because what have I done wrong?
I stopped
What
you
have I done that you?
because you guys are all riding in
I've
here.
done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
Right, you have 3 of the riders and 1 refusing. If you could start me this one. Look, man, I just want to write down your license. That's it. I'm not trying to write you a ticket. Just be cool with it.
I understand. I'm just not trying to give it to you. I haven't done anything wrong.
Is the vehicle registered to you? Is your bike registered to you?
Have you gone? What have I done?
What's that?
Have you gone?
No.
Am I detained?
You are detained, yes.
For what? For what crime am I committed? How do you say I'm associated with anybody?
Don't be like him, dude. Do not leave. Do not leave.
Tell me what I've
Do
done
not
wrong.
leave. I'm giving you a lawful order. You're refusing to identify yourself. That's the problem.
It's not illegal.
Do not leave.
If I've done something wrong, then I have to need my ID. Otherwise,
You're doing something wrong right now.
That doesn't matter.
Stop.
That's the fact. That's because you're pressuring me for my ID. You have no right to ask me for my
I
ID.
can
I've done
identify
nothing.
you, yes. I have a right to identify you.
Pull me over. Huh?
Flip your plate down so we can see it.
Doesn't go down.
Okay, you need to get that fixed. It's got to be clearly visible. All right? You guys have any weapons on you?
Yes, I do.
Where's your weapons at?
Right here.
All right. Put your hands up for me.
What is this about?
He's going to let you know while you're stopped, all right? I'm just going to retrieve this. I'll give it back to you when we're done, all right?
It's bullshit. He doesn't speak English.
All right. Do you have any weapons?
I don't know. I don't speak Spanish.
So, okay. You have a gun?
No.
Why are you guys driving like assholes?
I'm not.
Oh, really?
You didn't see me driving like an asshole.
Oh, no, somebody did. I have a
No,
witness.
believe me, there's a lot of guys
I
bikes
don't
coming up
care
here. It
how
wasn't
many
me.
guys are involved. You
Well-
guys were part of those guys, okay?
It doesn't matter. I wasn't
It
driving
does
like an
matter
asshole.
because you're not going to come back to Virginia City after
I wasn't
this.
driving like an asshole.
Okay, I have a witness that saw your bikes run somebody off the road.
Oh my God, really?
Are you guys all together?
Where's that witness? Where's that witness?
Are you
Tell-
guys
where's
all
that
together?
witness? Prove me that it was my fucking bike.
you
That's
guys all-
bullshit.
Wait a second.
I didn't fucking pass anybody,
Were
not
you-
one
Were
fucking
you
time.
with all the bikes?
Of course I'm with all the bikes, but I didn't pass
Don't
anybody.
put your hand near my face. Get on your bike.
Don't fucking accuse me of fucking
Sit on
doing
your
shit
bike
I'm not
now.
doing, okay?
Sit on your bike. You can act tough.
I'm not acting tough. This is just bullshit. My gun back on you, be on my way, because I haven't done anything wrong.
Red lips and